How to convert iPhone video to MP4. To get started, first of all go ahead to the App Store and download the MP4 Maker application on your phone. Open the app. On the app's main screen, tap on the From Photos button to select a video from your library. Now choose the video you want to convert. After selecting the video, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Choose. A conversion settings menu pops up. Here, you can choose the way you want the video to be converted as. Then tap on the Convert button. After that, go to the Converted Videos folder where the video file is saved. Finally, you can view the converted video here. Following these steps, you can easily convert iPhone video to MP4 on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.